Want to speak better English? It's easier than you think. Hey everyone, this is Naurin and welcome back to a new session of English with me. So, do you want to speak better English? It's not difficult. It's easier than you think. One of the most powerful ways to improve your speaking is by listening. Yes, listening can help you improve your English easily. Today, in this video, let's see how listening can help you improve your English, how it boosts your fluency, help you speak more naturally, and how can it make your English feel easier. Let's see all this. Just like how we learn our first language, like your native language, we should follow the same method to learn English. You know, babies listen and learn their native language. Once when we were babies, we listened to our parents and our caregivers to learn English. We listened to learn our native language. So listening is the foundation of fluency. Listening helps improve any language that you want to learn. So, like when we were babies, how we learned from our surroundings, how we learned from the people around us, from the voice around us, same method we are using here to improve our English. Listening to English helps us improve the rhythm, the intonation and pronunciation of the words. It makes it easier to mimic and speak naturally. When you listen to the native speakers, you get used to the intonation, like the rhythm, how they are pronouncing each word, and you can apply it in your speech. You get a sense of the natural flow of the speech, which will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. If you listen to the native speakers or any English speakers, you can copy that and you can apply it in your speaking. Like when you are having a conversation, you can use the same pronunciation, the same rhythm, which will make you sound more natural and like a native speaker. Also, the more you listen, the more vocabulary you will build. Like when you're listening to something, you will come across a lot of new words. And this will not only help you learn new words, but it can also help you understand how words are used in sentences. It helps you understand how words are used in context. This is more useful than simply memorizing words. So, you know how to apply it in your sentences. This can improve your English a lot. There are different types of listening materials, and different materials help us in different ways. First, we have podcasts and audiobooks. Podcasts are a great way to listen to real conversational English. You can find any topic that interests you. You can listen to it and you can do your job and you can enjoy it. Audiobooks are helpful too. They helps you get used to different speech patterns and accents. You can follow along the text and you can listen to the audiobooks. Then there are movies, TV shows and YouTube videos. Watching movies and TV shows are a fantastic way to know how words are used in different contexts. You can watch them with the subtitles initially and then you can challenge yourself to watch them without the subtitles. You can gradually watch movies and TV shows and YouTube videos without the subtitles to see if you can understand what is being said. Then there are music and songs. Music is a fun and engaging way to practice listening. You can enjoy your song and you can improve your vocabulary. Not only vocabulary, it can help you get used to fast speech. Like the songs are usually fast sometimes, so you can get used to those fast kind of speech and it can also improve your listening skills. You can do all this while listening to your favorite songs. I know some of you might find it difficult to listen to English songs because you don't enjoy it, but there are various genres in songs. Like you can find sad songs, very romantic songs, then happy songs. You can find different genre. Find something that interests you. Somewhere you will get that hit, the songs that you will love. So try to listen to different types of songs and find the ones you enjoy and listen to it and improve your English. Then you can improve your English by listening to news and interviews. Listening to news or interviews with native speakers improves your comprehension, and it can teach you more formal, professional language. Now there are two types of listening. You can listen actively and you can listen passively. Active listening and passive listening. Active listening is like you are giving all your attention and focus to what you are listening to. It's like you are giving your full attention to what's being said, understanding it, and then even repeating it. For example, after listening to a short conversation, you're thinking about it. You're thinking about it and you're trying to repeat what is being said, or you're just telling a short paragraph or a passage about what is being said. Active listening can help you understand what is being said, how the sentences are structured, and how to pronounce the words. Now about the passive listening. Passive listening is more like a relaxed version. You are playing something in the background, like an English song or any audio clip in the background, and you are doing your work. You are doing something else like cleaning or working. This is also a great way to improve your English. You are exposing yourself to English every day even though you are not actually actively listening to it. This improves your exposure to English. Now let's see how to use your listening to improve your speaking skills. The first one is to mimic the speakers. After listening to anything like any audio clip, just pause it and then try to repeat it. Try to repeat what you just heard. Mimicking the audio, the native speakers will help you sound more fluent and natural in English. You should try to focus on the pitch, the tone, and the stress of the words. This will make you sound more natural, like a native speaker. When you try to mimic them, you will sound like a native speaker. You will sound like them, and it will build a native speaker inside you. The next one is shadowing technique. Shadowing technique is repeating word by word as quickly as possible. This is a great exercise to improve your pronunciation and your fluency. Now let's see how to practice listening effectively. How can you make it effective? You cannot just waste your time just listening to something and not concentrating on it. You should make it useful for yourself. So how can you do that? The first one is start with slow and clear materials. If you are a beginner, start with slower and clearer materials. Something that is slow, clear, and understandable. Watch some movies or even TV shows that is suitable for children, because the materials available for children is very easy and very clear, and it can be understood very easily. So try to listen to them if you are a beginner. And as you improve, as you move gradually, you can improve the speed, you can increase the speed, or you can try more challenging resources. So don't think it is silly to listen to children's material. It is actually useful in the initial stages of your learning. If you are a beginner, try to listen to something that is very simple. The second one is repeat and listen again. Don't just listen to a material once. Repetition is the key to learning. So when you listen to a material again and again, not once, when you repeat it, you will come across a number of words and phrases, new words and phrases that you missed earlier. So try to listen to the podcast, the songs or videos again and again. Repeat it multiple times. Also, use subtitles to help. In the beginning, you might want to use subtitles when you're listening to something. This helps you understand what's being said, and it helps you connect to the written form. You can connect the words being said to the words written. You can connect them and you can learn them. So, listening is one of the most important tool that can help you improve your English. It can help you improve pronunciation, vocabulary, and also it helps in the natural flow of the language. Listening is the main part, like it's the foundation of your language. It helps in improving various factors, various aspects of your English. By incorporating various listening materials into your everyday life, you will see an improvement in your speaking. Yes, listening is directly proportional to speaking. When you improve your listening, you can improve your speaking. So just by listening, you can find your speaking improve over time. So guys, this is all about listening in English. In the coming videos, I'll give you materials that can help you improve your listening. I'll provide some movies and TV shows that can help you improve your English in the coming videos. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.